Another vlog, another kwento na naman ng aming buhay pamilya abroad dito sa bansang Oman. For today's vlog, samahan niyo ulit kami sa panibagong kwento na aming ibabahagi sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. Ito na ang part 2 ng aming Oman adventure kasama ng aming mga kaibigan. Pagkatapos nga naming mapuntahan ang Dima Sinkhole, ngayon naman ay papunta kami sa Wadi Daika Dam, kung saan may experience namin ang donut boating at maliligo sa dam. Dito nga sa Wadi Daika Dam ay maraming activities, mapa-water activities at land activities. Katulad ng donut boating, kayak, pedal boating, zipline, wall climbing, mountain bikes, horse riding, hiking, shooting at marami pang iba. At meron din nga sila ditong campsite, standard or VIP campsite. Ang Wadi Daika Dam nga ay isa sa pinakamalalaking dam dito sa Oman. Dito makikita mo ang perpektong kombinasyon ng modern engineering at natural na tanawin. Napapalibutan ng matataas na bundok at sa gitna nito ay ang napakalawak na tubig na parang isang tahimik na paraiso. Perfect ito para sa family bonding, picnic at simpleng pag-relax habang ini-enjoy ang fresh air at peaceful vibes ng lugar. Sa wakas, nakarating na din kami. 300 baht sa Omanis, non-Omanis 1 real. Kids free.
Full energy, huh? Cycling, okay? Tell Amma. Amma is sleeping. Wake her up.
Oh, thank you Lord. Dito na kami. Nandito na kami sa Wadi Daika Dam. Wadi Daika Dam.
Maybe press. Press.
Wow. Thank you Lord. Nakarating na kami dito. Oh, ang ganda. So madaming ano dito, madaming activities. Ayan. Tingnan natin mamaya. Kumukuha lang sila ng tubig. O, parang ano sila dito, may park. Yan. Pwedeng maupo, tambay. Ayan, may mga parang ano din, may mga Pinoy din nata doon. Pinoy na grupo. Bye ka. Bye bye. Baby, let's go.
Say hi, mommy.
Yes.
Water.
Yeah, water. Come, put.
Water, mommy.
Mm-mm.
Water.
So, tingnan natin yung activities nila dito. Wadi Daika. Okay. Wadi Daika pala. Land water. Yes po. Ay, okay. Ang dami pala, oh. Kayak. Horse riding. Mountain bikes. Zipline also here. Shooting. Ayan. Kami dito sa dam. Wow. Grabe, oh, ang ganda.
Hey, kami.
Hey, ka.
Tayo maligo na.
Yeah, we. Wow, water.
Hmm.
It's like a
From there. Be careful, ah. Hold tightly.
Oh, ito na yung dam. Oh, madaming ano kahoy.
This is the dam. Go, but you have to be careful. You have to hold tightly.
Hmm. Wow, water.
Water.
Hmm.
Let me look from the tiny hole.
Water. Hey, maganda.
So may cafe sila dito, Tower Cafe. Yan. Yan ito, itong building na to.
Yeah.
Yan. No need there. Later po, come. Tingin kami dito sa, ano to, Dad? Ito na yung mga ano ata, activities this side. Maganda naman siya. Malayo lang talaga. Siyempre galing kami sa Musana. So, 3.5. Doon yun sa unang destination namin pala, sa Sinkhole. Husak Adventures. May restaurant din sila dito, oh. Pag gusto mo mag-bike. Ayan. Ito. Kayak. Wadi Daika. Toilet nga muna ako. Water sports. Children's games. Hello.
Yon, donut board.
Maghanap muna ako ng bathroom. May Sama Resorts and Spa. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yun.
No one is doing that. I already made for
Why don't you guys just take
Two donut bread, same price, same there.
What's the brand for the donut? Mr. Donut?
Please.
One real each.
Instead of putting more weight in one thing, separate the So at least we also enjoy.
We will take 2 both, 10 real.
Yeah, that's why I'm
Yeah,
saying.
no? We'll take 2 both, 10 real, 1 Krispy Kreme, 1 Mr. Donut.
One crispy donut. Come in.
Done? Deal done?
It's for your safety. I am trying to do. I get you.
Don't count me, don't count me.
But you will go.
No, I'm not
If they
going.
agree to put you do not family votes.
No.
Ride?
Let's go
The
the donut boat.
donut ride. No, not
Donut.
banana.
Not banana, donut.
Donut.
Yeah.
Hey, bhai.
You take a video, right?
Yeah.
You guys, why you guys have having a
Mag-try kami ng, ano yun? Donut?
donut? Motorized donut.
Donut?
Motorized donut.
Ha?
Down.
Shukran.
Let's share.
Si Kuya po.
H. Damin.
Kumuha na si Dio. Kaya hindi binibigyan. Ang liit naman yan. Maliit sa'yo. Uy, no. Kuya, no.
You need to bring it down.
Mommy.
Bring it down like this. I put also like this.
Mommy, but I wear like. How do I?
Then this is wrong also. You have to.
Why am I taking diaper?
Here, Ronit, come here. Mama is taking single photo.
Let's take a hello guys. Could you take us a picture? One picture here.
That is deep side. It's fine. Other side. The valley.
Let's take a picture. What did we jump?
Come. Kuya, let's go, let's go.
Look how many people slept in this room. Come, Renat. Are we going down into the boat? I guess your brother already has to. What did your brother do? What did your brother do? Mommy, what does it?
Hey guys!
Hi.
Birthday ko.
Tatry namin yon donut. So, 6-6. Dalawa yung inano namin, kinuha.
Guys, you don't want Miller? Which one, the other one?
That one doesn't even have a roof.
You go there, Ronit. With them. One with them. Here, one. Kuya, go. Go, boy.
Baby, oh, nandoon.
You should have called baby also, no?
With tita.
Huh?
Baby.
No, this one is very safe. This one is very safe.
Very safe? No problem.
Okay.
You gonna sing?
Take video and photos, ah. But how to come back? Bhai, वापस 5
Come back here.
Bye!
Then,
Give,
This is the last.
give.
Hey, don't go there, huh? That's it. Go there. Man, तो तुम कैसा मेरे वो just खड़ा हो जाओ। ए बकचोदी मत कर, आराम से बैठा रहे। ओए ओए हिल रहा। ओए भाई नहीं बैठ जा। बैठ के रोड़े हिल रहा है।
what is this?
Hey, where are you going?
Hey, still have time.
Wait.
Hey, don't go there. How many minutes? Hey!
Damn.
डैम लेके जा सकते हैं? हाँ, तेरी गांड फाड़ने के लिए मैं
Si baby, yak. Gusto sumama.
जा सकते हैं कि नहीं जा सकते? He still don't know how to use. This is the last. Go there, na. Go there.
This is.
Yeah, this is the last. It's going slowly. This is a mini motor. Wait. Okay. क्या इससे अच्छा बहन जो तुम उधर ही बैठ गए थे? सर ऐसे करो ना, हो जाएगा। सर
किया तूने कभी?
रोशन सर भाई इसमें भी मेरे को भी स्विमिंग नहीं आता है तो फिर थोड़ा सा
Joy,
नहीं आता है।
are you okay?
आराम से चल कहीं कुछ नहीं
We're not moving, baby.
go there na just destroy this motor khalas our work only that one. This is our mission.
Kuya, put your hand inside. Come. You don't trust me?
Yeah.
खड़ा होकर वीडियो बनाओ ऐसे पानी के बीच में से सर वाला कभी लमीस
Huh?
उनको बोला हमारी वीडियो बनाओ जॉन को बोल
The diesel is too expensive now. I can't buy diesel.
भाई तुम बकचोदी कर रहे हो डूब जाएगी लेके आना चाहिए था डोंट डू लाइक दैट कायक वाला लेके आना चाहिए दिस इज द हाई रिस्क
Ay!
Sorry.
Each donut nga ay 10 reals. Ang mga nakasakay nga sa isang donut ay mga ka-work din ni Di. Pumunta nga din sila dito. Each donut 6 person at pwede isang bata.
Video. This video, huh?
Take that.
Get up. भाई अपना यार
Don't now video, no?
okay tonight you can do anything but now at the moment don't do anything huh?
At the moment, don't do
because
it.
I'm also yeah
Hold them.
Oh!
Hold them now, hold them.
Hold the rope!
they have the rope
Yeah.
they have the rope को गांड में लेगा क्या
We are saying as if we know everything.
Yeah, get that rope now.
टूट जाएगी फिर
They are running. What happened?
Hey, call engineering 76 Urto.
वहाँ motor is also not. Selfie लेना. काजोल. Who?
Hey.
We're doing ringer roses. तू चढ़ना ऊपर खड़े हो.
Yeah, jump.
मेरे को धक्का कोई. पुलिस 2 मिनट आते.
if in case emergency how it is
See, Yasser is more productive.
at least
Yes, sir, it's faster than that.
yeah within 9 hours he at least changed
Kasi na
one
isa,
lamp
hindi
also.
na
That's
gumana.
not speedboat, that is
May
weak
isang
boat.
donut. Ayun sila, na-stuck.
Slow boat.
battery also
Pero yun na, may mag-rescue na.
see that one. That stick.
हम देखो कितनी बकचोदी करते हो, इधर से इधर कहाँ चले गए थे।
Dahil sa because of the wind. और वो दिन फुट देगा ऐसा है। नहीं ऐसा पैर तेरा पकड़ेगा। तू ऐसा उठा दे ऐसा।
ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सा
आ जा।
नाक में पानी चला जाएगा भाई। नाक में पानी चला जाएगा।
नहीं पानी में नहीं डालेगा।
भाई एक मजाक नहीं कर रहा है।
No, no, no.
अच्छी आएगी, वो मजाक नहीं कर रहा। एक दो
नहीं,
We're going back.
इतने इधर से लटक के ले लो ना, पहाड़ों ही लेने लगे।
तेरे बहन जो पानी प्रूफ करके आ रहे हो उधर।
नहीं आएगा, इतनी ऊपर थोड़ी आएगा।
भाई मेरा वाटर प्रूफ नहीं है।
नहीं जाएगा पानी इतनी जल्दी।
अबे उधर पानी ऐसा
इतने तो स्विमिंग करके जाइए।
डोंट मेक वीडियो।
नहीं तू ऐसा रहना बहुत मस्त है।
अबे this is the last one.
Because the wind is going here now. That's why we are slow now.
बैठ ना मैं भाई, गुस्सा नहीं करने का। नहीं
इधर मुंह अबे सुजीत मार 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 मार
अभी गहरा है।
अबे इधर ही तो
अभी
इधर
क्या?
Jump first.
Wait.
Hey, loser!
We win already.
कैसे चलेगा? उसमें बैटरी नहीं है।
I'm the brave man who drive this boat.
How it will move? No battery there. देखिए स्विम कर गया।
Hindi gumagana yung isang donut.
That's it. No, I'm safe. No, you cannot do anything.
So, mag-swing muna kami. Let's go! So, bumaba lang kami. Di ba doon kami kanina sa dam? Ayan. Bumaba lang kami dito para makaligo ang mga bata. Kasi gusto nilang maligo. Ang init kasi. Swimming! So, swimming kami saglit. Malulubat na ako. So, after dito, uwi na kami. Kasi late na rin, alas 5 na. So, magbabiyahe pa kami 3 hours, ha? So, yun. Excited ang mga bata. Makakaligo ng ilog. Wadi.
Ano dyan, Jackie? May dadaanan diyang maganda? Doon kaya tayo. Baka hindi masyado.
Uy, baka madulas ka. No? Wow, ligo na.
We've been there. Dos. We've been there. Been there.
Stand here. Slippery, slippery.
This side, bro.
So much.
I think the other side is clear. Clear and clean. Huh? This is green.
It's slippery, yeah, it's very slippery. Hey, don't
Sobrang nag-enjoy nga kami sa adventure na ito at nag-enjoy sa paliligo. Kahit sobrang lamig ng tubig, sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga bata. Syempre, pati na rin ang matatanda. Kaya kung nandito kayo sa Oman at naghahanap kayo ng lugar na pwedeng takasan ang ingay ng lungsod, ito ang perfect destination para sa inyo. Hanggang dito na lang po muna ulit. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please click the notification bell for more family videos. God bless us all po. Bye! Slowly! Dito kami sa kabila, maliligo. Sobrang madulas doon eh.